Are you a developer looking to store your code on your own server? This video is just for you. Today on Installer Guru, we'll show you how to install and test Gitea, a fast, lightweight, and open source alternative to GitHub. It's free, supports multiple databases, and runs anywhere, whether you're a solo dev or running a full DevOps team. Today we will deploy this tool in our Docker environment. We'll deploy Gitea using Docker because let's be honest, Docker makes everything faster and easier. Head over to the Gitea documentation and choose the Docker installation method. You'll find different Docker Compose setups for MySQL, PostgreSQL, and more. In this demo, I'm using the MySQL Docker Compose file with some custom changes. We'll create a new stack in Portainer, paste the Docker Compose code, and update the database name and password as needed. The default port is 3000, but you can change it as per your setup. Deploy the stack, and in a couple of minutes, you'll see two containers running. One for Gitea and the other one for MySQL. Once deployed, Gitea brings up its setup wizard. Here you'll enter the database details. Set the site title. Configure SMTP for email alerts. Enable third-party services as per the need. Set your admin username and password and hit install Gitea. Wait a moment. And it's ready to go. Log in to your new Gitea dashboard. From here, you can customize your profile as per your needs. Access powerful admin settings like users, organizations, integrations, and more. Create your organization name and set its visibility. Next, create your first repository. I've named mine Homepage. Upload your code. Clone it via VS Code or download as a zip, just like GitHub. In the same way, you can create multiple projects or repositories and upload your code easily and securely. That's it for now. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Installer Guru. Help your developer friends who want to keep their code secure and self-hosted. Until next time, happy installation with Installer Guru.